first part of the scene.
Oh.
Just recording this so I can post it up somewhere. There you go. Beep, beep, beep.
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, let me actually have you record.
You're recording me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say hey, Joyce.
Hey, what's up? My name's Joyce, and I made this thing.
Amazing.
Amazing. No.
How y'all doing?
Hi. Hi.
Who you?
Mel. And I'm Mel. Two Mels. Melissa.
Mel.
Melanie.
That's why I called him.
Swaggies.
Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Oh yeah, sure, go for it.
Okay, how you doing? So say your name, what's up, how you doing?
Hey, my name is Erica Knopfler, and I'm really excited to shoot.
Yay.
And how am I doing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm having fun already.
How you feeling? No, I'm just Where'd I go?
Love it. The day I opened your beer and it exploded in my face. I mean, add a little white spot. That could be like your one little white spot. Next year. Wait, you guys want to go? Let's plan to go to EDC. What's that? Rave, the big ass rave in Vegas. Like it happens every year.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that sounds fancy.
It's really like crazy. It's cool. We should go. Like, we should plan to go like next year because it's happening this year. You too, Mel.
Oh, but I wanted to get all of you girls in it.
Oh, that's awkward. I'll do it again.
Plus, I got this big camera thing, so.
Yeah, you'll get pictures.
I wanted one where like it was like behind back. Like,
Behind.
like
Oh,
the
yeah, of
whole,
course.
like,
Set?
yeah.
His face. I have to carry you out of here. I have to carry you out of here.
We'll throw her down the stairs.
Like Superman. Well, I had to carry you first. I'll see you. Bye.
Have a nice ball.
I'll be raw. Going to back get those cookies from Subway. See how they made the orange chicken?
You're good.
I guess I'll see someone marking this on Halloween. Oh, she's smiling. Should we put some freckles on her lip then?
We should start posting us doing, you know, especially makeup for people everywhere. So
Like, hey, you want to look like that?
yeah, come here.
Do it.
Go to your place. Come here. Yeah.
I come over, I do your makeup.
You get some money for people that really want to be showing out. I don't want to look like this. I was really trying to get in there. Just don't have the time or creativity.
Our face looks really good.
That's it.
Thank you.
Don't smile. Don't smile. No fun. No fun here.
No fun yet.
I'm gonna start throwing some of this shit away. Amazing. Are you putting this on your head?
Huh?
Are you putting this on your head? Who's going?
We have a model for that. We got to go get her now.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay. Say hi.
So, oh,
Yay!